Did you know that saving $500 this month is easier than you think? Whether you're trying to build an emergency fund or just need extra cash, I'm going to show you 5 simple strategies to help you save big in no time. Welcome to Smart Money Minute, where we give you quick, actionable tips to take control of your finances. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an episode. First, let's talk about something most of us don't realize is draining our finances: subscriptions. From streaming services to monthly memberships, they can quietly suck up your money. Check your bank statements and cancel anything you don't absolutely need or use. You'd be surprised at how much this can free up each month, sometimes as much as $100 or more. If you're still paying for that unused gym membership or an old magazine subscription, cut it. Imagine the impact of redirecting that money into savings. Take a few minutes today to do an audit of your subscriptions and start trimming the fat. Next up, meal planning and grocery shopping. If you're like me, you've probably spent way too much money on takeout or impulse buys at the grocery store. Set a weekly meal plan. Plan your meals around sales, use coupons, and buy in bulk for things you use often. It's all about being intentional with your shopping habits. Try batch cooking or buying frozen veggies instead of fresh ones. These small adjustments can save you $50 or more every week. Start your grocery list with a meal plan in hand, stick to it, and watch your grocery bills drop. Another powerful strategy to save more is automating your savings. Many of us plan to save, but life gets in the way. Automating makes it effortless. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account right after you get paid. Even just $50 a week can quickly add up. Use apps like Acorns or Chime that round up your purchases and save spare change. Let's say you set up a $100 automatic deposit every month into a high-yield savings account. In 1 year, that's $1,200 plus interest. Make saving automatic and you'll be amazed at how quickly your savings add up. Impulse buying is one of the biggest barriers to saving money. We've all been there browsing online and suddenly your cart is full. But those small purchases can quickly add up. Before making any purchase, ask yourself, do I really need this? Or can I wait 24 hours before buying? This simple habit will stop you from buying things on a whim. Try creating a wish list for items you want. If after a few days you still feel you need it, then go ahead and buy it. This will help prevent unnecessary spending. Take control by waiting before buying and make it a challenge to reduce those impulse buys for a month. Lastly, let's talk about cashback and discounts. Why pay full price when you can get a discount or earn cash back on your everyday purchases? Use apps like Rakuten, Honey, or Dosh to get cash back on your online and in-store purchases. Also, don't forget to use store loyalty programs to rack up discounts. Imagine getting 5 to 10% back on every purchase. It doesn't seem like much, but it adds up quickly, especially if you're buying big-ticket items or groceries. Start using cashback apps and take advantage of discounts every time you shop. To sum it up, saving $500 this month is all about being intentional with your money. Eliminate unnecessary subscriptions, plan your meals, automate your savings, cut down on impulse buys, and use cashback apps. It's easier than you think. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing your money. Leave a comment below with your best saving tip. I'd love to hear how you're putting these strategies into practice.